Closure.
Closure nila ako. Kailangan ba na
Okay. Same din ang sinabi nila. Ha? Isa ako doon sa sinabi ni Nico na well, to the people who are going to have another chapter of their lives apart from UBC, especially sa mga DMs and the mga ASMs, I would like to thank you for everything. Si Alan for the deep conversations over going home, the deep for basta, I always amuse me. We're not sorry. Of course, si Miss Pinky and Sir Bernie for the wala na akong lunchmates. Wala yun. Saan mo kita ba? Especially na yun also, Miss Jenny.
I'd like to thank my girlfriend also.
Dito pa na siya. Miss Jenny, thank you so much for all the learnings talaga. And Sir Jay, sobrang mamimiss ko yung mga meetings namin na wala na akong kabulat sa tabi. For everyone's information, nakala niyo si Sir Jay seryoso. Hindi siya seryoso. Pero but when it comes down to it, he will always deliver and always be there for everyone. Thank you so much. And for those who will stay, well, let's just continue to pray for each other. And ganun ba rin, like sinabi nang nag-go or nag-stay, I love DBC. Yeah!